Hello everyone and welcome back to Mason Jar Garage. Today, if nothing happens, we're finally going to get the wagon taken off of the trailer because I finally found the keys for both of the Mini Coopers. So come along for this riveting content of moving things around and trying to back a trailer into this tight spot to get the wagon off of it.
The trunk's open. I think one wheel came off the ramp. Oh, no it didn't. Oh. Okay. So it's pretty decent. The truck came open, so you're gonna have to pull forward. I guess that way you can. you see the trailer? No. It turned into a seesaw. We're still on the ramps though. You have to go to the left and forward some.
Alright, so we finally have the wagon off of the trailer. Get the trailer all put away. We've hit the door hinges with some PB Blaster. Again, not a sponsor, but I'd be happy to have you as one, PB Blaster. And we found the hood hinge springs. We got this window up. We got this latch working. And our hood hinge springs are right here. I have no idea if they're any good, but we're going to try to put them on and see if they work before I buy more. Just realized it was zoomed in. Whoops. So hopefully everything I filmed today isn't garbage after that being zoomed in. Very fancy. We have power locks in this one, so that's something I'm sure that isn't going to work. We've got all the doors opening now except this rear passenger. The tailgate, as I've shown you guys before, actually does open, but it only opens in one direction. This is supposed to be a dual direction tailgate, so it'll open out like this, or it'll open down like a truck tailgate, so got to get that fixed. Yeah, that went really well. I mean, it was super sketchy, especially when the trailer decided to pop up as this came off the back end, because we couldn't leave it hooked up to the Suburban while we did this, because we had to use the Suburban to pull it off of the trailer. But here we are. So this next week is Thanksgiving. So the weekend after Thanksgiving, I guess, as long as weather's pretty, I will be starting on the engine of this. I got to pull the intake manifold off, get everything cleaned out, and then get it put back on and get a carb mounted to it and see what we're missing. So stay tuned.
Mason jars on dusty shelves meant to save us now. Neon lights flicker hard, shadows dance aloud. Rusty tools on memories, we share the scars. In this garage we raise hell, fixing cars.